In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not playing music in Zen Browser. If Spotify won't play in Zen, it usually comes down to a permission, an extension conflict, or a playback setting. We'll move from the quickest checks to the deeper fixes, and you can stop as soon as music starts. Start with the basics in the tab itself. Right-click the Spotify tab and make sure the site isn't muted. If you see an unmute option, click it. Then open Settings. Privacy and security, site settings, autoplay, and allow autoplay for Spotify. When autoplay is blocked, the player often looks normal but never starts until you interact, so enabling it removes that roadblock. Next, rule out extension conflicts. Temporarily turn off anything that modifies pages or media, especially ad blockers and dark mode tools like Dark Reader. Disable them, refresh the Spotify page, and test. If playback returns, you'll know one of those extensions was interfering. If that doesn't help, clear stale data. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, select cookies and cached images and files, then confirm. This forces the web player to fetch fresh login tokens and media assets. After clearing, restart the browser to fully flush the session and try again. Make sure protected content is allowed. Spotify's web player relies on DRM. Head to Settings, Privacy and Security, and enable Protected Content or DRM. Without this component, tracks won't decode, and you'll see endless loading or immediate skips. Check the device picker inside Spotify. In the web player, click the device icon at the bottom right and switch playback to this browser. Sometimes the session sticks to a phone, TV, or speaker you used earlier, and audio silently routes elsewhere. Still stuck? Log out of Spotify, close Zen Browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and background processes that can hang. To isolate the issue, try the same account in another browser like Google Chrome. If it works there, the problem is specific to Zen. If it fails everywhere, it may be your account or connection. Before wrapping up, update Zen Browser. Go to Settings, About, and install the latest version to pick up fixes for media and DRM. And as a common extra fix, turn hardware acceleration off. Open Settings, System, disable hardware acceleration, restart the browser, and test again. Follow these in order, and you should have Spotify playing smoothly in Zen. If one change solves it, feel free to revert any temporary adjustments you made along the way.